This video tutorial I will explain how to send SMS using AWS SNS Topic in a Spring Boot application. In this diagram, you can see Spring Boot application, SNS Topic and SMS recipients. Spring Boot application acts as a publisher, which publish message to the SNS Topic, and SNS Topic send SMS to SMS recipients. We will see how to build this Spring Boot application. Here you can see AWS SNS demo project and its folder structure. Here you can see pom.xml file. In pom.xml file, I have included the dependency of Spring Boot Starter Web and AWS SDK for SNS. Here you can see application.properties file, and in this file you have to specify your AWS credentials like access key, secret key, and you have to specify the AWS region and AWS SNS topic ARN. To know how to create user and how to create AWS credentials, please check the link in this video description. Here you can see the user. Click on this. Click on add permission. Choose attach policies directly. Search for SNS. Select the first one, Amazon SNS full access. Click on next. Click on add permissions. Permission is added successfully. Here you can see the AWS console. Search for SNS. I am going to create a new topic. Topic name is My SNS Topic. Click on Create Topic. Topic is created successfully. Here you can see the ARN of the particular topic. Copy this. And paste here. And here I have provided my access key and my secret key related to the user I have created. I have logged into AWS console. Search for SNS. Here you can see the mobile section. Click on text messaging. Here you can see sandbox destination phone numbers. I already added my phone number and I have already verified. This step is important, otherwise you won't receive the SMS message. To add new phone number, you have to click on this. Then here you have to provide your phone number. Then verification message language. Then click on add phone number. Then your phone number will get SMS message with the verification code. That verification code you have to enter here. Then click on verify phone number. We'll add the phone number to sandbox environment. Here I have defined the class SNS SMS service and annotated with @service. And here I have defined SNS client, which is used to connect to AWS SNS. And here I have defined SNS topic ARN. This is the ID of the topic where SMS will be sent. Here I have defined the constructor, which is SNS SMS service, and it gets access key, secret key, region, topic ARN from application.properties file. And in this constructor, I am creating a SNS client object by passing region and AWS credentials. And also I am setting this topic ARN. And here I have defined the method send SMS, which accept message. This method is called when you want to send the SMS. And here I am creating a publish request object by passing a message and SNS topic ARN. Then I am calling a publish method of SNS client object by passing a publish request object. This method will return publish response object. From that I am getting the message ID and printing that. Here I have defined the class SNS controller and it is REST controller. Here I have defined the request mapping as /SNS. So every method in this controller will start with /SNS in the URL. Here I have defined SNS SMS service object and this will get initialized using constructor dependency injection. And here I have defined the method send SMS. To call this method, we have to use this API endpoint and HTTP method as post. And inside this method, I am calling send SMS method of SNS SMS service object and passing the message. Here I have defined the class AWS SNS demo application, which is Spring Boot application. I am going to start this program to start Spring Boot application. Spring Boot application has been started in port number 8080. Next, you have to subscribe phone number to this topic to receive the SMS. Click on subscriptions, click on create subscription, select the topic ARN, protocol is SMS, and endpoint is the mobile number. Make sure this mobile number is already added to this sandbox destination phone numbers. Otherwise, it won't work. Click on create subscription and the subscription to my SNS topic created successfully. Here you can see the Postman and here I have selected HTTP method as post and I am using this API endpoint and passing messages test SMS. Click on send and SMS is sent successfully and here I got the message ID. Now check the SMS in the phone number you subscribe to the topic. You might have received the SMS. Now I will summarize the prerequisites which we have followed. First one is AWS account. You must have an active AWS account and then you have to create a IAM user with SNS permissions. Then you have to create a SNS topic, then subscribe phone number to the topic, and in Spring Boot setup, you have to add dependencies like Spring Boot Starter and AWS Java SDK for SNS. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.